Little Kids Learning.
Hi, kids. Let's learn our colors. Are you ready? Let's go. This is the color red. Can you say red? That's right, red. This is the color orange. Can you say orange? That's right, orange. This is the color yellow. Can you say yellow? That's right, yellow. This is the color green. Can you say green? That's right, green. This is the color blue. Can you say blue? That's right, blue. This is the color purple. Can you say purple? That's right, purple. This is the color pink. Can you say pink? That's right, pink. Great job! Now you know your colors. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more kids learning. See you next time, kids. Bye!